Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus. I'm the Chief Market Strategist for Push Button Stock Trading, and this is your daily video market review. Stocks overcame early weakness yesterday to end the day with solid, if unspectacular, gains. What we're looking at here is High Growth Stock Investors Warehouse. High Growth Stock Investors is a program that I use on a daily basis. It's an indispensable program for me. And if you haven't taken a look at it, you can find High Growth Stock Investors at highgrowthstock.com. You can go to that website and take a 30-day free trial. You don't even need a credit card. High Growth Stock Investors is about the best data crunching program that I'm aware of. And so I do recommend that you go there and take the free trial. Okay, back to our warehouse view. What we're looking at is a screen of High Growth Stock Investors 7,000 stocks. And we're looking at those stocks sorted by stocks and groups that are moving to the upside. We have 101 securities in this filter, and what I want to do is I want to take a look at our Spectrum Analyzer. What the Spectrum Analyzer does is it gives us a snapshot of where the strength was in the market yesterday, and we can see that yesterday the strength was in semiconductor devices, internet-based services, renewable energy equipment, infrastructure software, and internet media. We've been seeing a lot of strength in semiconductor devices recently. The rest, internet-based services, we've seen a little bit of strength in renewable energy, some strength in infrastructure software and internet media. We've seen some strength in, but not particularly good strength recently. What we're looking for with the Spectrum Analyzer is industry group rotation. By looking at the top 5 industry groups on a daily basis, we're going to see rotation into industry groups. That said, let's take a look at the NASDAQ Composite. NASDAQ Composite yesterday was up 21.07 points, or 0.42%. Closed right at the top of its daily trading range and actually made a new closing high for the past 15 years. We still have not taken out resistance in the 50.26 area, but we're moving back in that direction. Right now the NASDAQ is bracketed by support in the 48.11 area and resistance up here at its recent high in the 50.26 range. We are on a buy rating on our 1 to 6 month timing model. Trading volume yesterday was lighter than the prior day. And for you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend in the market. That confirmed uptrend is under pressure due to this cluster of distribution over the past month. Taking a look at our MACD histogram. MACD histogram for the NASDAQ Composite yesterday was closed above the 0 line, which is bullish, and is in a little mini uptrend here, which is bullish. Because we have 2 bullish signals, our immediate bias on the NASDAQ Composite is bullish. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 yesterday was up 10.67 points, just a bit over 0.5%. It also closed at the high of its trading range for the day. The S&P 500 seems to be struggling with resistance up here in the 2120 area. Yesterday we closed at 2107. The S&P 500 has that resistance at the 2120 area and support down here in the 2040 range. The S&P is on a buy signal on our 1 to 6 month timing model. Yesterday the S&P traded heavier trading volume than the prior day, giving us another accumulation day. The S&P 500 right now is in a confirmed uptrend. That uptrend is under pressure due to this cluster of distribution days over the past month. Taking a look at the MACD histogram, we see that yesterday the MACD for the S&P closed above the zero line, which is bullish, is in this mini uptrend, which is bullish because we have two bullish signals. Our immediate bias on the S&P 500 is bullish. Before we go, I want to take a quick look at Cavium Inc. But before we do, just a note, all of the individual stocks that we talk about in our video market reviews are from our universal watch list, which you can view in our daily spreadsheet. To qualify for the universal watch list, a stock has to have satisfied at least 72% of our stringent technical and fundamental criteria, and currently satisfy at least 62%. Out of our trading universe of about 7,000 stocks, there are currently about 80 stocks that meet these strict criteria and make our universal watch list. These are the only stocks that we review in our daily video market review, and for the most part, they're the only stocks that we use in our trading strategies. That noted, Cavium Networks Inc. designs systems on a chip for networking, telecom, storage, wireless, security, and video markets. The stock right now is in a second stage base. We have a pivot point of $74.26. Cavium currently gets an 84% checklist rating, and yesterday put in a pocket pivot. Notice how the stock yesterday pulled back to its 10-day simple moving average and bounced off on trading volume that was heavier than any down day in the past 10 trading sessions. That's the definition of a pocket pivot. Cavium can be bought here by aggressive traders. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about Cavium or any of our trading strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. If you're out of the area, we can set up a Skype session. A reminder, if you've not already done so, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name's Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate, or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push-button stock trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push-button stock trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push-button stock trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push-button stock trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.